Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel People and Geography. Today I have selected one topic from Transport Geography, that is port, harbor, dock and shipyard. Sometimes when we read transport geography or regional geography, regional development, so there we have seen this type of terms are used in the book. But sometimes we are very much confused. What is port? What is harbor? What is dock? Is it similar or it is different? In this video, I am going to make you understand port, harbor, dock and shipyard. So before starting, I want to tell you one important thing, that is somehow, somewhere, these four terms, port, harbor, dock and shipyard, they are related to each other. But again, as geographical point of view and as an important terminology, we will understand each term in detail. So let's start. First, which is very easy, and there should not be any confusion in your mind, because shipyard is totally different. Please read with me. It is also called dockyard or boatyard. Okay, so sometime shipyard is similar with dockyard and boatyard, but most of the cases we are more familiar with the term shipyard. What is it? A place where ships are built and repaired. This is very important. A place where ships are built and repaired. Okay. So, four examples I have taken from India. Please read with me. One, Cochin Shipyard in Kerala. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited in Mumbai. Garden Ridge Shipbuilders, Shipyard. Hindustan Shipyard is one of the oldest shipyard in our country. Okay, so again I am repeating what is shipyard. It is just a place where ships are built and repaired. Next, what is dock? Please read with me. It is one landing area near the shore where boats or ships are loaded, unloaded, or repaired. So you please find this picture I have pasted here. So what it is written? It is one landing area. It can be human made, it can be naturally occurred near the shore, near the coast, where boats or ships are loaded, unloaded, or repaired. Loaded, unloaded, you can see here very minutely that this is one ship and it is fully loaded and some goods are there also here. So it is one place where boats or ships are loaded, unloaded, or repaired. Few example you can read with me. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Sason Dock, it is in Mumbai, and Kolkata and Haldia Dock Complex. Kolkata and Haldia Dock Complex obviously in West Bengal. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, this term I have used before, so you please identify the state and write down in the comment section. Next, harbor. Harbor is little bit different. Read. A harbor is generally a sheltered water body. Here the most important term is sheltered water body that can be natural or partially human made. This is also, it can be natural or human made. There must be a harbor that exists before setting up a port facility. Several harbors sometimes serves for some particular sports. That means harbor is very much important. It is one sheltered water body. Like during the storm or without a storm, a ship where it actually it reside in the shelter. Okay, that can be natural or partially human made. Harbors have direct access to open water and they are deep enough for safety entry and exit, safe entry and exit of ships. They will also be defensive against huge waves and storms. So have you got my point? Harbor, what is harbor? It is generally a sheltered water body that can be natural or partially human made. What is most important, there must be a harbor that exists before setting up a port facility, otherwise it is difficult. There are numerous number of ships, so after loading, unloading, or after the journey of exporting or importing, where the ships will settle in a safe place in the harbor. Okay, so it is very important line, before setting up a port facility there must be a harbor. Next, port. Port is very much important, and port term na, it is one holistic type of term. A nodal point in transport network, read with me, a nodal point in transport network where different modes of transport meet to transfer cargo and passenger between land and water. Port, it does not mean that it is a separate transport network, a nodal point in transport network, rather it includes harbor, dock, etc. I think you are getting my point. Port is a holistic term, and the purpose of port, the purpose of constructing port we already know, because we know that several ports are there in our country. There are 7 number of eastern port and 6 number of western port, right? So what are the main functions of port? Actually they are very much useful for transport for a longer distance over the sea, and it is actually associated with import and export. So port is important, but port cannot survive alone. For constructing a port, we must also construct harbor as well. Dock should be there. Got it? So, but if you want to write the answer separately, what is port? Then a nodal point in transport network where different modes of transport meet to transfer cargo and passenger between land and water. You can write it up to this. Okay, so eastern port, we know that the eastern ports are more in number as compared to western port. It is very easy. So four things we have discussed: harbor, port, dock, and shipyard. I think you got the main differences. Okay, keep studying. All the best.